Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie, and today's video is going to be me talking about all of my favorite products from the month of February. The first product I want to mention is this body wash, and you saw me talk about this in a recent empties video. I had purchased this for Jorge as one of his little dumb Christmas gifts, and he liked it so much that when he used it up, I decided to buy us another one to use. So I've been using this since then, and I've liked it a lot. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Too long of a name, but this is from Sephora. It's like 25 bucks, so it's a little bit more expensive than I typically would spend on a body wash. But what I like about this is the smell, first of all, and I think that's what most people like most about this body wash. It's also very creamy. It is like a cream gel, so it's like not super thin and gel-like. It has like a cream consistency to it as well, and it makes it very nice to lather all over your body, and also is a little bit more moisturizing than some other body washes I've used. And it's just kind of a treat to use. I feel good when I'm using it. It feels like a luxurious product, and that's why it's in this favorites video. The next product that I have been loving is a custom palette that I created from Makeup Geek Cosmetics. I also have a whole video on this product. I did kind of like a haul slash unboxing, but I picked out a 9-pan palette and then picked all of these individual shades to go in it, and I have been using it so much. Two shades in particular that I have been gravitating towards on an almost daily basis are these two right here. And this is Tuscan Sun and Getting Figgy with It, or Gettin' Figgy with It actually. These are just two tones that I did not anticipate loving as much as I do. I really thought that I'd go for the browns and the warmish yellow brown, camel colors, this deep brown down here, and I do love those so much. I just didn't realize how much I was gonna love these two, so I think it's important to at least shout out those shades. Again, I do have a whole video on this that I can link, so if you guys wanna watch me swatch every single shadow in this palette and my thoughts and things like that, then go ahead and watch that video. But the quality of these shadows is very good. Very creamy, blendable, pigmented, easy to work with. I've been enjoying it so much, and I'm very happy to have it. Next, I have not a new product to the market, but it's just a product I've been reaching for a lot lately, and it is a blush from Becca in the shade Snapdragon. This is a very pigmented, stunning, in my opinion, ideal springtime blush because of how bright it is. This is what I'm wearing right now, and it just adds like a pop of coral to your cheeks, which I love. This also has some shimmer to it, so I do often skip highlight when I'm wearing this. Not today, as you may be able to tell, but it's kind of nice if you don't want to opt for highlight one day. You can just use this blush and it adds enough glow to your cheeks. Like I said, it is very pigmented, so you need just like a tap of your brush for each side and it works, but it does blend out nicely at least. But you guys know I like a lot of blush anyways, so I'm happy with the pigmentation. But basically what I'm saying is you'll have this for probably your entire life because of how little you need with each application. The last makeup item I have is probably kind of cheating because I do not own the full size, but hear me out. I have to talk about this beautiful gloss from Artist Couture in the shade Sugar Baby. I got this from one of those promo code beauty offers from Sephora online, and I cannot tell you how much I have fallen in love with this product. Since I got this one, I have placed another order from Sephora online, and luckily that promo code was still available, so I got a second one. I know it's probably like just buy the full size, but if you can get a little mini for free, like why would you not? I can tell you for sure when I run out of these two, I am running to Sephora to buy the full size, and I really think you should do the same. This is a very good formula. I mean, I love the packaging, and the little doe foot as well has kind of a pointed tip, but the formula is super gel-like. It is ultra shiny and has little teeny tiny micro fine flecks of multicolored glitter. I mean, you've got purple flecks, you've got blue flecks, you've got silver flecks, pink flecks. I mean, It is so stunning, and you do not feel those glitter particles on your lips either. I just absolutely love it and can't get enough. Okay, for skincare, I have a facial oil that I've had for quite a while, but lately I've been using it like every single night, and I'm just obsessed at this point. This is from Youth to the People, and this is the Makai and Acai Prickly Pear Goji Super Berry Hydrate All Glow Oil. Now, arguably all facial oils are hydrating because it's an oil, but this one has just been so nice to add to my nightly skincare routine. I actually use a moisturizer first, and then I put this on top, and I wake up feeling so hydrated. I feel like my skin is so plumped and just looks like smooth and healthy. I just love giving my skin the extra hydration, and I just can't think of any better form of self-care than just like slathering this all over my face every single night. I also love Youth to the People. I haven't tried every single one of their products, but I've tried a lot, and I just love what they stand for. I would check out their Instagram, and you can just tell where their priorities are. I mean, it's a clean brand from Sephora, but not only do they care about the ingredients that they're putting in their products, they also care about the environment, and every product they have is in a glass bottle. We just love a recyclable moment in this household, so I really, really respect that and appreciate it. You can find Youth to the People at Sephora if you're interested. And lastly, I have a non-beauty favorite, and it is this water bottle. Jorge got this for me from Marshall's because we recently joined a gym. I think it was about $12 or $13, and it's one of those that keeps the beverage cold for 24 hours, which I know we've all seen that technology before, but it's nice that even the cheaper versions of it actually do work. So I like it because of that, but it's also drastically increased my water intake. I mean, I just take this to the gym, of course, but I also just carry it around the house with me, especially when I bought this extra large straw. This is a 12-inch straw that I got on Amazon, which I will link down below. Since then, it just made it even easier to drink water. And it's also pretty big. This is 32 ounces, but it's not giant. Like, it's not like I'm carrying around a gallon. So basically, next time you're at Marshall's, check this out. And like I said, I do recommend the straws that are silicone that go with it as well. And that is everything. A little bit of a shorter video from me, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then definitely hit the thumbs up button. And if you feel like you like me and you want to stick around, then I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. All right, bye.